If daily bathing with your cast or bandage has become a chore, you'll be happy to know that Seal-Tight Original is the easy, durable way to stay dry. With pediatric and adult sizes available, Seal-Tight Original is designed with simplicity in mind. Sensitive to latex? Seal-Tight Original has you covered. Instead of natural rubber latex, Seal-Tight is designed with a polyvinyl bag and non-latex diaphragm ring, giving you a snug fit above your cast while maintaining a waterproof seal. Here's how easy it is. After removing your cast protector from the box, unfold completely. Pull the ring containing the diaphragm taut. Insert your foot into the diaphragm and pull the seal and bag upward until your cast or bandage is completely covered. You will know it's at the right position on your leg when the diaphragm sits comfortably above the top cast edge. To ensure a watertight seal, pull the diaphragm up, then back down, causing the edge to flare upward. The seal should be tight. After all, it's keeping water off of your cast. Never trim with scissors or puncture. It's also okay if the bag appears oversized, as this just allows room for large casts and easy movement. Removal is easy. Just dry the protector thoroughly before stretching the seal over the cast. Used properly, your Seal-Tight Original will last the life of your cast or dressing, help prevent infection, and remove the need for costly cast replacement. Always check with your doctor to be sure bathing is appropriate in your situation, and enjoy your Seal-Tight Original.